thought I would do an unboxing today. I hope you can see this. I have it on my phone thing here. I got a Pumpkin Luminary in white from QVC by Desert Steel, and I'm a big QVC shopper, and I've had this sitting here for a week. I haven't opened it yet because we were on vacation, and since then I've been busy. I don't know what I've been doing, but I hope you guys can see. Oh wow, looks like I have to put some things together. There's a lot of styrofoam. Here's the tag. Desert Steel Pumpkin Luminary, and here's the back. I thought maybe metal would be nice for the front. You know, I buy literally a ton of pumpkins every year. It's like the collection grows, and this time I thought it would be a great idea. Oh, the stem is at the bottom. Can you see that? I thought it would be a good idea for me to buy one that I could put out year after year. And even if it got weathered, it would still look good because it's metal, and if it aged outside, it would look okay. So it says light type. You can use for use with any electric light, flameless or freestanding candle, no taller than 9 inches. Use place candle or light inside bottom opening of pumpkin. What's it say on this side here? Place stem on top of the pumpkin. Make sure the 3 tabs are folded downward. Inside the pumpkin, fold the 3 tabs up flat against the inside top rim to hold in place. And it has little figures here. Please note the stem on the pumpkin will over time experience a natural patina aged look. Well, I'm all about that. I like the aged look. This is completely natural and in no way does it represent any type of defect with the product. Well, that's good to know. So here's the stem. And this, I think, definitely will be something I can get out year after year. One thing, there's a lot of styrofoam on it, on the bottom. And some, because it's twisted, is stuck. It actually looks like it's glued on the stem, which I don't like. I hate styrofoam, it's like everywhere. And let's see. It has this tag here, so can you guys see okay? Sorry. It's a very sturdy, heavy piece. Well, not extremely heavy. Well, heavy enough that a wind would not knock it down or anything like that. There's styrofoam in a lot of the stem here, so I'm gonna have to pick that out. Maybe they should work on their packaging, I don't know. But I think this fits in here. I guess you pull the tabs around. Let's see. Here we go. And this I'll definitely tilt down. I don't want it poking out. You'll poke your eye out. Okay, so this is definitely bendable and flexible, this metal, so I can pretty much bend it any which way I want. And I don't want it poking anybody, so especially with my 3 kids. And I'm going to take this off the stand so you can get a better look. Here it is. And again, that's this was, hold on, I'll put you back on the stand so I can see how much. I checked QVC's website, and these are right now $45.36. This one is the taller version. They also have a squatty version of the pumpkin, and they come in orange and this white color. I do not receive any commission for showing you guys this piece. I am just a QVC shopper, and I thought it would be fun to show you some of the things that I purchased from there. I do think this one is a very nice solid piece, and it is substantial, and it's something that I will have for years to come. I took an indoor-outdoor candle that, you know, the kind that accepts batteries, and I'm using that to illuminate my luminary pumpkin. Here's the Pumpkin Luminary lit up at night on my front porch. I think it's a nice substantial piece, and I like the light that it gives off. It gives a nice homey feel. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Please also feel free to like, comment, and share. Thanks so much for joining me. See you next time.